class. How are you all? After a long time I am taking class like this. So today we are going to learn the use of do or does. As you know, it is one of the most important topic of English grammar. If you don't have any idea about the use of do or does, that means where and when we can use do, where and when we can use does. So today we are going to learn the use of do, does and did also. So let's start the topic. But first of all, I want to tell you that at the last of the video, there are some questions, and you have to answer all the questions. But before doing the questions, don't skip the video. Before doing the questions, do the class with attention. Alright, so let's start the topic. So you can see here, we use do or does depending on the subject. That means if the subject is in third person singular number, that time we have to use s or yes with the main verb. Like it is also used when we want to ask yes or no questions. So first of all, we are going to describe about the use of do. Here you can see do. We use do when the subject is I, you, we or they. That means we use do when the subject is I, that is first person, you, that is second person, we, first person plural number, or they is the third person plural number. Here the examples. Do I know you? Do I know you? Do you come from South Africa? Do you come from South Africa? Do we have to go there? That means the use of do I have already described. That is, we use do when the subject is I, you, we or they. And the examples are here. Do I know you? Do you come from South Africa? Do we have to go there? That means if the subject is in first person, second person, first person plural number and third person plural number, that time we have to use do. Alright. Now we are going to we are going to describe does, the use of does. Alright. I have something there. Do you know what is this? Do you know these words? He, she, it. Yes. He is the third person singular number. She is also the third person singular number. But here we are describing the use of does. Here you can see we use does when the subject is he, she or it. The first example is does he work with you? The second example is does he go there? And the third one is does it look great? So here you can see you have already seen the use of do or does. Here you can see the use of did. Did is the first form of both do or does. And here the examples are did he call you? Did you enjoy it? This is the use of did. Just a minute. Don't skip the video. There is something. Negative form of do is do not or don't. Does is doesn't and does not. And did is did not or didn't. That means the negative form of do is do not, negative form of does is does not, and negative form of did is did not. Here the examples are I don't know you. He doesn't like tea. I did not go there. Then already it is described the use of do, does and did. So now the time of question answers. So I am going to give you some question, then you have to answer it in the comment box. And if you like the video, then do subscribe the channel and share it and stay tuned with us, because next time I will upload more videos that will help you to learn English, to learn spoken class, to learn spoken